Here are some of my comments of the pig heart dissection, and I'm just going to go through and point out parts of the heart that I recognize. So here we have our heart, we have our superior and inferior sections. So the blood enters in the inferior and superior vena cava, which has been removed, into the right atrium, which is this little pocket, and it travels through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle, which has kind of been cut apart. But so it travels through into here to the right ventricle, and the blood is shot up into the pulmonary trunk, which is right here. So it shoots up and it goes into the pulmonary trunk, left and right, into the lungs, and it comes back by the pulmonary veins right here into the left atrium. And the blood is now oxygenated, so it's bright red, and it travels through the bicuspid mitral valve into the left ventricle. And then, once in the left ventricle, kind of got sliced here, it shoots up into the aortic arch, or through the aortic valve first and then into the arch, where it is dispersed into all of the body. And also for the heart, it is the coronary capillaries supply the heart with blood, so you can see them all over. And the coronary sinus opening is in the vena cava, which has been removed. Yes, and also there's a interatrial septum and the interventricular septum that it's hard to see right now, but it divides the left and right sides of the heart. That's also where the Purkinje fibers are. And also another thing I forgot to point out earlier are the chordae tendineae and the papillary muscles. They help control the valves and the intake and backflow of the blood. So those are all along here. So that is the pig's heart. And although I'm missing the major vesicles, that is a kind of little summary of what I can see. Thank you for joining me in my heart dissection.